The benefits of Italian marble flooring. Dear friends, Italian marble flooring is a beautiful way to bring the durability and elegance of marble into your home. Featuring classic, timeless designs, Italian marble flooring is available in a wide variety of colors and styles, making it the perfect choice for any home. This video will provide an overview of the different types of Italian marble flooring and the benefits that come with installing it. Keep watching to learn more about Italian marble flooring and its accompanying advantages. The benefits of Italian marble flooring. Italian marble flooring is not only beautiful, but it is also extremely durable. Marble is a natural stone that is both hard and scratch-resistant, making it a great choice for high-traffic areas. In addition to its durability, marble is also incredibly long-lasting, meaning that it can last for decades with the proper care and maintenance. Marble is also low maintenance and is easy to clean using standard cleaning supplies. Another benefit of Italian marble flooring is that it adds both warmth and sophistication to any home. Marble will instantly transform a space and bring a timeless elegance that can't be achieved with any other type of flooring. Italian marble is also resistant to stains and spills and can be easily sealed to ensure its longevity. Finally, Italian marble flooring is a great way to add value to your home. Italian marble is an investment that will pay off in the long run. It is a classic choice that will never go out of style, making it the perfect option for any home. By adding Italian marble flooring to your home, you can be confident that you are adding both beauty and value. With the right style, finish, and design, Italian marble flooring is the perfect way to elevate the look of your home. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Laud's channel, How to Make My House.